That's kind of good. Kinda. Kick me in the foot. No, come on, Dada.
Woo!
You just flicked the clicker. Probably don't know what this show is. Oh wait, I already saw it. Title's right there. What's wrong with that? Zooming in a little bit. Can I try now? Can I try? Dude, come on.
I brought the clicker to myself. Not having to get up. Skills.
Can you hold this? I want you to video it. No, if you're big enough.
Should we start over?
No.
Oh.
It's a YouTube video.
No, I don't want to be in it.
You know, my mom.
That's my hair leg. Oh. Seamus was a race car driver.
Oh, till I crash. Losers. Almost went into mousetrap.
This is an actual Maserati that we shrunk down with our superpowers.
That's not true. It's $35.
Seriously, I shrunk it.
Sometimes you can be
Honey, I
weird,
shrunk
sorry.
the car.
Zach can be into a new movie.
Have you seen? You see Honey, I Shrunk the Kids?
I don't know.
Or Honey, I Blew Up the Kids?
I heard of that one, but I really want to see it. What happens?
First, the first movie he shrinks them. It's like a scientist, and they end up like they're super small.
Yeah? What's the second movie? Honey,
I
I
don't
Blew
think I
Up.
saw that. I think it made them super huge. Like they blew them up so they're huge.
Oh, so they're really huge?
Yeah.
Then they blew up?
They didn't blow up. Like you blew them up, like inflated them. Like, I think. Yes. I'm gonna stop this, okay?
Okay. And then